Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 12, WordPress Dashboard Overview. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn everything about the WordPress dashboard. It is important to understand the functionality of all the options of the WP dashboard to use them effectively. So let's get started. So here, we have logged in our WordPress dashboard. This is also our account homepage. Here you can see all your details, like the number of posts, total comments, and a number of pages. It's running on 2019 theme. You can save drafts also with draft title and its content. Below, there are WordPress events and news. It's showing recent activity on the site here. Like recent comments, you can trash, edit, or approve it from here. So there are updates, and the next option is posts with its sub-options, then media, and pages with their sub-options. Then comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and finally settings with their sub-options. You can also collapse this menu from this. Reopen it. On the top right, we have our account setting. You can edit your profile or log out from here. So that's pretty much everything with the dashboard. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn how to add categories and tags in your posts. See you in the next video tutorial.